Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Neeraj. I have total 15 years of experience in IT industry. I'm going to share my experiences over last 15 years with you all. The first topic which I'm going to talk about today is presentation skills. In subsequent videos also I will talk about presentation skills, the real life examples uh, about the presentation skills. So the objective is to keep all the videos short in less than 10 minutes. So we will be having multiple videos on presentation skills and future topics. So what are presentation skills? Presentation skills are the skills which one should know. These are the skills which represent that how one communicates with others. It does not matter which field you are in. It can be IT profession, it can be any other profession. It can be while presenting to your boss, it can be while presenting to your teacher or while presenting to your students. So everywhere presentation skills are required. So how you communicate with others, right? How you transfer your thoughts to others so that they know what you are trying to say exactly. So that is presentation skill. Why presentation skills are important? So for example, if I'm going to talk about a product and I go to a client and I'm not able to present that product's features to the client, then how can I expect that that client will ask for that product or will pay for that product? And same is the case for schools, colleges also. When as a student you need to present certain topic to your friends, students, or teachers, or group of teachers, right? If you're not clear what you have to present, then you won't get the good remarks. So that way, presentation skills are very important. So that in that sense, everyone should learn these presentation skills. Now, if I talk about my experience, why I felt the need of learning presentation skills. So I experienced the presentation skills requirement uh, after experience of 3 to 4 years in the beginning. When I started my career, because I was just starting my career, I did not realize that I had to present about my work or the new features of project to a client at certain point in time. So gradually, as I gained experience, I had to present myself to client, the work, the project, or the new features of the product to various clients, various customers, my team members, and my bosses as well. So that time, initially, I was not good. I was afraid of doing this exercise to speak in front of a lot of people, or maybe just a couple of people also. I was not good at all in the presentation skills. But with the passage of time, I was able to cope up with this challenge and uh, I learned slowly and slowly. I learned the skills about presentation. Still, I am learning and I am looking forward to learn more about these presentation skills. Now, if we talk about how did I learn presentation skills, the presentation skills, as I told you in the beginning, right, that the presentation skills, I was very bad at the presentation skills. But fortunately, I met a couple of people who guided me. The key thing which they made me realize is the practice. Whichever topic I'm going to present, or whichever features of the product I'm going to present it to anyone for that matter, I should practice a lot. And I'm fortunate enough that I get full support from my family. At that time, they recorded my presentations, and then we learned my mistakes about the presentations from those recordings. And this is how I kept on practicing and found my mistakes and kept on improving on the presentation skills. Now, how can you learn presentation skills again? The one key takeaway from this video is that practice. Practice has to be done. You should practice whatever topic you are going to prepare 10 times, 50 times, or maybe 100 times. You should not hesitate to practice a lot about the topic. You should know what you are going to talk about. Even though you don't have in-depth knowledge, but whatever you are going to say, you should say with that confidence. In future videos, we are going to talk about tips and tricks to improve presentation skills. So by tips and tricks, I mean that how would you present in different scenarios. So that we are going to talk about in future videos. We will take some real life examples. For example, I need to present a product to a client. How would I start? How would I interact with client? And then if I am a student, how can I present to my teachers, friends, or if I'm a shopkeeper or whatever, right? So we will talk about different scenarios and we will learn about the different scenarios of presentations. So in the end, I'm talking about feedback. Please share your feedback. It can be positive, it can be negative. So you may like this video, you may not like this video. I'm not sure whether you will come back in future videos. So if you give positive feedback, it will encourage me to record future videos. If you give negative feedback, then also I don't mind it because I will take this as an opportunity to improve future videos. So with this, I would like to thank you for watching this video so far. Thank you so much and see you in future videos.